Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious paneer burrito. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including creamy paneer, soft tortillas, and a colorful array of vegetables. Next, I'll guide you through creating a simple yet incredibly flavorful marinade for the paneer. Then, we'll cook the paneer to perfection, ensuring it's golden brown and has a delightful texture. Get ready for a fantastic meal. Now that our paneer is ready, let's assemble these amazing burritos. First, gently warm your tortillas. This makes them much easier to roll without tearing. Then, spread a generous layer of your favorite sauce or chutney as your base. Pile on the cooked paneer your chosen fresh vegetables and any other toppings you love, like a sprinkle of cheese or a dollop of sour cream. It's all about personalizing your perfect burrito. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot. On another note, for those who love to cook and read recipes or just enjoy a good book, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. The art of rolling a burrito is key to a mess-free experience. Begin by folding in the sides of your tortilla over the filling, making sure they're tucked in tightly. Then, starting from the bottom, roll the burrito upwards, keeping it as snug as possible to hold all those delicious ingredients inside. Once rolled, you can serve your paneer burrito immediately, perhaps with a fresh side of salsa or a squeeze of lime. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.